What's up everyone, it's AJ here with Kick Jr. to give the detailed look on the Nike Foamposite Premium in the Fighter Jet colorway. We're just going to go ahead and touch on some of the key aspects of this shoe. Along the upper of the shoe, you have a camouflage based print made out of posit material. Also on the tongue you have your hits of black and red. As you can see, it comes with the typical Nike sportswear box, and you have your hits of black and red with a red swoosh on the toe, and on the ankle you have a danger sign which represents the fighter jets. On the back of the shoe you have your lightning bolt pull tabs, and on the heel you have your classic Penny Hardaway logo. The outsole of this shoe is very rough, and as you can see along the bottom arc of the shoe there's carbon fiber. Alright, so that pretty much wraps it up for this one. Stay tuned for the on foot of this shoe. Let me know what you guys think about this shoe in the comment section below. And other than that, it's Kick Jr. signing off. Yo, before I go, be sure to follow us on Instagram at kick_jr, just so you can stay informed on all upcoming videos.